Hi, my name is Angela Romero, Ayurveda practitioner, holistic health coach, and currently a student at American College of Healthcare Sciences, completing my bachelor's degree of integrative health sciences. Today, we're going to get to know a little bit more about the herb and plant as yarrow, also the Latin name Achillea millefolium, from the family, the Asteraceae family, formerly the Compositae family. So, other common names of yarrow are milfoil, thousand leaf, and thousand leaf makes sense because if you look at the leaves here, how many it has. Bloodwort, old man's pepper, and nosebleed. So this is the ancient name indicated for use for nosebleeds. The parts that are used are the leaves and the flowers. It's cultivated in drought-tolerant perennial, grown in many habitats of North America, including the seashore, high desert fields, and cities. It needs a well-drained soil to prevent root rot, and it enjoys the sun and shady areas, and otherwise it can become invasive, or it may become invasive. A fun fact about yarrow is its wildcrafted samples were shown to have higher levels of antioxidant um, dicafeoylquinic acid versus commercial samples of grown yarrow. If dried in artificial heat, the volatile oils will be destroyed, so you want to have it dried naturally. The active constituents of yarrow provides a dark bluish green volatile oil containing monoterpenes, beta-thionein, cineol, borneol, and sesquiterpenes, azulene. Um, it's also known as has anti-inflammatory substances. The polyphenolic compounds, flavonoids extracted with alcohol, are luteolin, quercetin, and apigenin. Other active constituents are shown up here on the top right. And fun fact, the composition of the essential oil depends on the season yarrow is harvested in. So if it's harvested during the flowering period, the monoterpenes is about 80% of essential oil. And if it's during the vegetation period, sesquiterpenes are about 92%. Therapeutic actions of yarrow: it's antibacterial, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-mutagenic, antioxidant, antiseptic, antispasmodic, antiviral, astringent, um, coagulant. So I think that's like a coagulant. Diaphoretic, diuretic, emmenagogue, expectorant, hemostatic, hepatic, stimulant, stomatic, and septic. So this is one of the herbs I wanted to know a little bit more about because it has so many therapeutic actions. I just thought it would be great to know more about it. Another fun fact about yarrow is the sticks are chosen for the symbolic representation of yin and yang, facilitating a ritualized process in the I Ching, an ancient Chinese divination system, where they're used to generate hexagrams for insights into the dynamic interplay of forces and change. So I found that to be super cool. I actually did some YouTube and some Googling, Wikipedia, a little bit further information to know about that. Here it shows these are the sticks of yarrow, which you can see them here. And this is them dried, and they also use the coins here. All right, so some medicinal uses. It's for amenorrhea, angina, appetite stimulant, bronchitis, chemotherapy, chickenpox, colds, coughs, diabetes, dysmenorrhea, fevers, hemorrhage, that could be internal or external, flu, kidney stones, sluggish liver, measles, menorrhagia, nosebleeds, stomach gas, oral ulcers, vaginal thrush, wound healing, hemorrhoids, hypertension, and inflammation. Again, this is a very in-depth list of uses for this lovely plant of yarrow. Another fun fact, legend has it that yarrow grew on top of the grave of Confucius, and it has also been associated with magic and witchcraft. So here's the medicinal uses in a little bit more detailed here. So for chemo and chemotherapy and the side effects, yarrow contains the flavonoids and phenolic compound properties such as anti-inflammatory, anti-mutagenic, and antioxidant actions, adding benefits, aiding patients undergoing chemotherapy, helping them to improve their quality of life. For diabetes, yarrow stimulates the bile production, benefiting the liver liver, and its fresh leaf juice is considered a valuable pancreatic tonic for diabetes when diluted with equal parts of water. For feverish colds, traditionally herbalists use yarrow as a hot infusion to raise the body temperature, induce perspiration, and open skin pores, making it an excellent remedy for feverish colds due to its diaphoretic and antiviral actions. Continued here for hemorrhoids. It's highly recommended for hemorrhoids with bleeding and pain. It acts as a septic directly on the blood vessels and nerves of the anal sphincter. Hypertension and angina. Yarrow is included in protocols for essential hypertension and angina, as in small doses. It exhibits hypotensive effects and may be administered in thrombotic conditions. For inflammation and skin pH, a yarrow preparation based on sunflower oil is discovered to restore optimal skin pH and capitins, simultaneously decreasing the skin arrhythmia and inflammation. A few precautions and contraindications. It is compatible with breastfeeding, but I would suggest use with caution. Same with pregnancy. It's always just to go err on the side of caution and maybe just prohibit it for that time. Persons with allergies to this Asteraceae family should avoid or taking caution and avoid if itching or inflammation changes to the skin appear. Caution of the oil, the yarrow oil, in cases of asthma, because it could cause inflammation. Another fun fact, yarrow is named after the legendary Greek hero Achilles, who, according to myth, used the plant to heal soldiers' wounds during the Trojan War. Preparation, you can use yarrow as a decoction, a fluid extraction, infusion, in a juice, essential oil, powder, or tincture. Dosages are for adults here, and these are for maybe 3 to 4 times a day. Decoction, 2 to 4 tablespoons. The essential oil, 3 drops 1 time a day. That's not 3 to 4, it's 1 time. Powder, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. A tincture would be 2 teaspoons. Fluid extract, 1/2 teaspoon. Infusion, 4 to 8 tablespoons. And a juice, 2 to 4 tablespoons, 3 to 4 times a day. Another fun fact, I love fun facts, as you can tell. In traditional herbal preparations, yarrow has been used to make fermented beverage called yarrow beer by infusing the plant with other ingredients, showcasing its historical use beyond medicinal applications. The administration here. So for bronchitis, we would suggest a cool decoction. Colds, a hot infusion, alone or combined with elderflower and peppermint to enhance its medicinal properties. Fevers, 1 cup of hot fluid decoction every 2 hours. Heart and circulatory tonic, cool decoction tincture or fluid extraction. Nosebleeds, you actually want to sniff the powder into the nostrils, which is going to coagulate and stop the bleeding. Wounds and cuts, you're going to want to bathe the area with infusion or place freshly bruised yarrow leaves onto the wounds. The reference is from Herb 303, Herbal Materia Medica 2, the second edition, or 20th edition by Doreen Peterson, and this is from the American College of Healthcare Sciences. And my name is Angela Romero. It doesn't have the last screen, but it should be on here. It says, thank you so much for attending and learning a little bit more about yarrow. Have a good day.